students, welcome to my YouTube channel RS Mathematics, and today we will discuss a new chapter, that is algebraic method of how to solve the pair of linear equation in algebraic method. But in earlier class, that is in previous video, we will discuss about how to solve or on what types of method to solve the graphical problem or graphical solution of pair of linear equation. Today we will discuss algebraic part of the pair of linear equation. Before that, first you will like and share my video, and I will be continued to for next video. So today we will discuss algebraic method. Algebraic method. Algebraic method for pair of linear equation. For algebraic method of pair of linear equation, there are three methods to solve the pair of linear equation. So these three methods are: first one is substitution method. First one is substitution method. Substitution method. Second is elimination method. Second is elimination method. Third is cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method. तो हमको सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड में कैसे सॉल्व करना है, एलिमिनेशन मेथड में कैसे सॉल्व करना है, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड में कैसे सॉल्व करना है, पेयर ऑफ लिनियर इक्वेशन प्रॉब्लम को यहाँ पर करना है। तो ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू सॉल्व द करेक्ट algebraic method, that is substitution method of pair of linear equation. So first one is substitution method. First one is substitution method. So for solving substitution method, first we have to write the standard form of pair of linear equation. Standard form is, we know that already, a1x plus b1y equal to c1, a2x plus b2y equal to c2. So this is the standard form of pair of linear equation, and from this standard form of pair of linear equation we have to solve by substitution method. That means we have to find the value of x and y by substitution method. Substitution method means here is equation 1 and here is equation 2. From equation 1 or from equation 2 we convert either x to y or y to x. Suppose we have to convert the equation 1 in the form of x, then we write x equal to y term. If we convert in form of x, then y equal to x term. So in this case we have to convert the equation 1 or equation 2. So any equation we have to convert either in the form of x transform to y or y transform to x. Then we will substitute this value in another equation. So let us take an example to solve this type of equation. How to solve in substitution method. So suppose an example is 2x plus 3y equal to 5. Then 3x plus 2y equal to 6. How to solve this pair of linear equation? Suppose this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So we already discussed that we convert either equation 1 in the form of y or in the form of x, or equation 2 in the form of x or in the form of y. So now you take from equation 1. From equation 1, if we take equation 2x plus 3y equal to 5. 2x plus 3y equal to 5. So if we transform y in the form of x, then 3y equal to 5 minus 2x. Then 3y equal to 5 minus 2x. That is y equal to 5 minus 2x divided by 3. So y equal to 5 minus 2x divided by 3. So y, here y is in the form of x. Then we substitute the value of y in equation 2. Then we substitute the value of y in equation 2 to solve the value of x and y. So equation 2 means equation 2 is 3x plus 2y equal to 6. So here 3x remains same plus 2 into y. Y equal to 5 minus 2x by 3. 5 minus 2x by 3 equal to 6. So here you see that all variables are in the form of one kind, that is x. So we have to solve now. We have how to solve. Then first we take the LCM. LCM is 3 here. 3 is multiplied with 3x, that is equal to 9x. Then 3 is divided by 3, 1 is multiplied here, 2 into 5 minus 2x equal to here 6. Then we write, then we simplify only here, 9x plus 2 is multiplied here 10, 2 is multiplied here minus 4x, and 3 is multiplied directly by 6, that is equal to 8. So 9x minus 4x, that is equal to 5x, plus 10 equal to 8. So 5x equal to 18 minus 10, that is equal to 8. 18 minus 10, that is equal to 8. So x equal to 5, 8 by 5. So x, here we get the one variable value, x equal to 8 by 5, and put the value of x equal to 8 by 5 in any equation, either in equation 1 or in equation 2 to find the value of y. So in this type we have to solve the substitution method problem. That means first we convert one variable in the form of another variable. X is y form or y is x from any equation. Then we substitute one variable value in another any equation, then find the other variable. So this is the method for finding the substitution method solution. Then we go to second method. Second is elimination method. How to solve the pair of linear equation problem in elimination method. Elimination method is very easy. Elimination method. So elimination method means we have to eliminate either one variable x or y from two equations. That is, we have to cancel, add by adding or subtracting or multiplying any of these. So for elimination method, we take an example, x plus y equal to 1. Another equation is x minus y equal to 2. So how to eliminate and solve the value of x and y? To eliminate this type of equation, clearly if we add, here is x is positive sign, here y is positive sign, y is negative sign, then clearly if we add, adding two equation, so here y cancel, x plus x equal to 2x, 2 plus 1 equal to 3, that means x equal to 3 by 2. So here we get one variable value, x equal to 3 by 2. So if you put x equal to 3 by 2 in any equation, either equation 1 or equation 2. So from equation 1, x plus y equal to 1. If you put x equal to 3 by 2 here, 3 by 2 plus y equal to 1, that means y equal to 1 minus 3 by 2. So that is equal to 2 minus 3 by 2. So that is equal to minus 1 by 2. That means y equal to minus 1 by 2. So here we get x equal to 3 by 2, y equal to minus 1 by 2. In the elimination method, we already discussed that in the elimination method, we have to cancel either x or y from both equations. So here we cancel y from both equations, either by adding or subtracting or multiplying something else. So in this type, we have to solve elimination method. But if here is the variable coefficient of y is 1, here is also coefficient of y is 1, here is coefficient of x is 1, here is coefficient of x is 1. If the coefficient of variable x and y are different, then how to solve it in elimination method? That means suppose 2x plus 3y equal to 5, 2x plus 3y equal to 5, and 3x plus 2y equal to 6. Then how to solve it by elimination method? See that here the coefficient of variable x2, here coefficient variable x3, here coefficient variable y3, here coefficient variable 2. Then different coefficient of variable x and y. So how to solve it by elimination method? In this case, here is equation 1, here is equation 2. How to eliminate it? That means we have to eliminate either x or y. Suppose we eliminate y. Then we have to same, to eliminate y, we have to same the coefficient of y in both equation 1 and 2. So equation y contain 3. Equation 1, the variable y coefficient 3. In equation 2, the variable y coefficient 2. So how to eliminate? If we eliminate it, we have to same the coefficient. Same the coefficient means we have to find the LCM of 3 2. LCM of 3 2 is 6. LCM of 3 2 equal to 6. That means what we multiply in equation 1 or in equation 2 so that the coefficient of y is 6 here. Here also the coefficient of y is 6. That means we multiply equation 1 into 2. So it is equal to 4x 2 into 3 plus 6y equal to 2 into 5 10. Similarly, we have to make the coefficient of y also 6. That means we multiply equation 2 into 3. So that is equal to 9x 2 into 3, that is equal to 6y, that is equal to 2, 3 into 6, that is equal to 18. That means here see that the coefficient of y is 6, here also the coefficient of y is 6. That means the same the coefficient of y. Now we have to eliminate either x or y. So here we eliminate y because the coefficient of y is same. So we have to eliminate y easily. So here is the sign is plus plus, here is sign is plus plus, sign is plus plus. That means we have to minus it, subtract it. Subtract it means plus, here is minus, plus, here is minus, plus, here is minus. So 6y plus 6y minus 6y cancel. 4x minus 9x equal to minus 5x. 10 minus 18 equal to minus 8. So minus minus cancel here. So 5x equal to 8. That means x equal to 8 by 5. So x equal to 8 by 5. It put in equation 1 or 2. So we have to put x equal to, we have to put, next step we have to put x equal to 8 by 5 in either equation 1 or equation 2 to find y. That means if you put x equal to 8 by 5 either in equation 1 or in equation 2, then we have to find the value of y. So our main motto is to find the value of variable x and y by any method. So one by one method here we discussed. First one is substitution method, second one is elimination method. Substitution method में क्या करना है, हमको वेरिएबल का वैल्यू वन इक्वेशन से लेकर अनदर इक्वेशन से डालना है, उससे आंसर सॉल्व करना है. तो यहाँ पर क्या करना है, तो एलिमिनेट करना है आइदर वेरिएबल x को और y को फ्रॉम एनी इक्वेशन 1 और 2 से. तो एलिमिनेट करने के लिए हमको पहले तो क्या करना है ना, कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ आइदर वेरिएबल x और y को सेम करना है. सेम करना तो यहाँ पर सेम नहीं था, वेरिएबल x का भी सेम नहीं था, y का भी सेम नहीं था. हम लोग वेरिएबल y को एलिमिनेट करेंगे तो क्या क्या पहले ना, एलिमिनेट करने के लिए पहले कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ y को सेम कर दिया. सेम कैसे करेंगे ना, सेम करने के लिए पहले जो पहले था कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ y उसको पहले एलसीएम को निकाल देना है. एलसीएम निकाल देने से एलसीएम हो गया 6. तो एलसीएम जब हो गया 6, तो एलसीएम 6 हो गया तो हम लोग अभी क्या करेंगे ना, कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ y को 6 करना है, सेकेंड इक्वेशन भी कोएफिशिएंट y को 6 करना है. तो क्या करना है ना, इक्वेशन 1 में 2 मल्टीप्लाई कर देने से 6 हो गया, इक्वेशन 2 से 3 मल्टीप्लाई कर देने से 6 हो गया. तो ये बराबर हो गया. अभी हम आइदर एडिशन करेंगे और सब्ट्रैक्शन करेंगे, कैंसिल करके वैल्यू निकालेंगे. ठीक है. तो यू हैव टू गो तो नेक्स्ट मेथड, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट मेथड और थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट भी होगा. तो क्रॉस एलिमिनेशन मेथड. तो नेक्स्ट वन इज क्रॉस एलिमिनेशन मेथड. सो क्रॉस multiplication method. So how to solve the pair of linear equation in cross multiplication method. So for cross multiplication method we have to first write the standard form of pair of linear equation. And to solve this type of pair of linear equation in cross elimination method, we have to write a rule, that is x here y here y 1. So x, that means x by b1 c2, x by b1 c2 minus b2 c1, y by c1 a2 minus c2 a1, 1 by a1 b2 minus A2 B1. So this is the method to find the value of x and y in cross multiplication method. Here we get how to find it. Suppose here is B1, here is B2, here is C1, here is C2. So cross multiplication, here cross multiplication. So it cross multiplication B1 C2 and minus B2 C1. Similarly B1 C2, C1 C1 A2, C1 C2 A1 A2. Similarly cross multiplication C1 A2 C1 A2 minus C2 A1. Similarly A1 A2 and B1 B2. Cross multiplication, here is cross multiplication, here is cross multiplication. So A1 into B2 A1 B2 minus A2 B1. So this is the method for finding the solution of pair of linear equation in cross multiplication method. So let us take an example to solve how to solve the cross multiplication method problem. So first write an example. Example is suppose 2x, similar example 2x plus 3y equal to 1, 3x minus 5y equal to 2. So this is a pair of linear equation. How to solve it in cross elimination method? So before that, first we write here a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to 3, c1 equal to 1, a2 equal to 3, b2 equal to minus 5, c2 equal to 2. So if you already find that a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, it is already given in the question. Now we have to apply the formula x by b1 c2, b1 c2, b1 means 3, c2 means 2, so 3 into 2, 3 into 2, b1 c2 minus b2 c1, b2 c1, b2 means minus 5, so minus 5 into c1, c1 means 1, so b2 c1. So x variable is clear. Now equal to y, y by c1 a2, c1 is 1, a2 is 3, c1 is 1 into 3 minus c2 a1, c2 is 2, a1 is 2, that is equal to 2 into 2. So next equal to 1 by a1 b2, a1 is 2, b2 is minus 5, that is equal to 2 into minus 5 minus a2 b1, a2 is 3, b1 is 3, that is equal to 3 into 3. So now x by 3 into 2 is 6, minus minus plus 5 into 1 5, so y by 1 into 3 is 3, minus 2 into 2 4, 1 by 2 into minus 5 minus 10, minus 3 into 3 is minus 9, 3 into 3 is minus 9. So that is equal to x by 11 equal to y by minus 1, that is equal to 1 by minus 10 minus 9, that is equal to minus 19. So now we have to solve the value of x and y. See that all the ratios are equal here, all the ratios are equal here. So we have to first equate the first ratio into third ratio, again second ratio into third ratio to find the value of x, y. Since the third ratio is a constant and first two ratios are variable, so we have to equate both the variable ratios into third ratios. So for that we take x by 11 first ratio equal to third ratio, that is equal to 1 by minus 19. That implies x equal to 11 multiplied to 1, 11 by minus 19. For similarly for second ratio is y by minus 1 equal to 1 by minus 19. So minus minus is cancelled here, 1 is multiplied to 1, that implies y equal to 1 by 19. So y equal to 1 by 19, so x equal to 11 by minus 19, or it can be written as minus 11 by 19. So this is the method for finding the solution of pair of linear equation in cross elimination method. So these three types of method are algebraic method to solve the pair of linear equation. In previous video you already discussed that how to solve the pair of linear equation in graphical method. in first class graphical method, we already draw the table. How to draw the table? By taking the variable x and y. In second part, we already discussed what type of solution will arise by solving the pair of linear equation in graphical method, that is in unique solution or in infinitely solution or in no solution. And we already check in graphical how can the straight line will come. In this video, that is today's class, we already discussed here the algebraic method. Algebraic method means to solve the problem in algebraic method. There are three types of method to solve. First one is substitution method, second one is elimination method, third one is cross multiplication method. These three methods are very important because these three methods are directly come to the question in board examination, or it will come in applied type. That means suppose word problem will come, then we have to apply either any three method to solve the pair of linear equation word problem. So this is the most important part, that is substitution method, elimination method and cross multiplication method. So this is the all about pair of linear equation, and in next class we will discuss about how to solve the pair of linear equation word problem by using this type of method, that is algebraic method. And this is the today the end class. So thank you all. So let us see in tomorrow class.